Google Pixel 9 Satellite SOS feature, everything you need to know. If you're tech savvy and remain deeply in the loop, then you must have heard about the Satellite SOS feature Google launched at its Made by Google event held on August 13th. While top tipsters and speculators are busy claiming this and that about the life-saving emergency feature, GadInsider is here with a comprehensive guide entailing everything about Google Pixel's Satellite SOS feature in this precise video. First things first, be aware that the Satellite SOS feature is currently exclusive only to the latest Pixel series, the Pixel 9 series, and if you plan on exploiting it without spending a dime, then that too is within the reach of anyone purchasing a boxed Pixel 9, as it's free for 2 years upon buying a new Pixel 9 phone. Just in case you consider the satellite feature too noble to be offered on the base Pixel 9 variant, then you're mistaken, as Google offers the Satellite SOS feature with even the standard Pixel 9 trim as well. By that time, it may expand to other Pixel phones as well. The best aspect of this feature is that it automatically gets enabled when both the internet connection and cellular data are out of reach, switching the device to Plan B, which requires a clear view of the sky in a bid to establish a stable connection with satellite. The satellite feature was also integrated under the Pixel 8 hood, but it was never activated. But that's a long chapter closed in the Pixel history. Now the Pixel 9's Exynos modem 5400 offers efficient satellite connectivity. Google's Search Playground, or Most Search Playground as it's referred to in slang language, is a feature that allows users to test and explore Google's experimental search features. It offers a sandbox environment where users can interact with and provide feedback on new tools and functionalities before they're widely released, helping Google refine and improve search experiences.